This is how Namboole Stadium looks like inside after putting grass. Hello sports enthusiasts, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have some exciting news to share as we take a closer look at the remarkable transformation of Namboole Stadium. The iconic stadium has undergone a major facelift with a brand new seats and lush green grass, promising a new era of comfort and aesthetics. Before we jump into the present, let's take a quick trip down memory lane and revisit the old Namboole Stadium. It was a place filled with history, but it was time for an upgrade. Months of hard work and dedication went into the renovation process. The construction teams worked tirelessly to bring the vision to life, ensuring every detail was perfect. One of the most noticeable changes is the addition of brand new seats. The stadium now boasts comfortable, modern seatings that not only enhances the spectator experience but also adds a touch of elegance. The seating design was carefully chosen to provide optimal views for every fan. They wanted to create an atmosphere where everyone feels connected to the game, and these new seats do just that. But it's not just about the seats. The playing field has undergone a dramatic transformation too. The once worn out turf has been replaced with vibrant natural grass, creating a visually stunning playing surface. The meticulous attention to detail is evident in every blade of grass. The new turf not only looks fantastic, but also meets the highest standards for professional play. The new seats are so much more comfortable and the view is incredible. It feels like a whole new stadium. The grass looks pristine, it's like a carpet. And you can tell they have put a lot of effort into making Namboole a top-notch venue. The new look of Namboole Stadium is nothing short of spectacular. The combination of modern seatings and lush green grass has elevated the stadium to a whole new level. It's not a place just to watch a game, it is an experience. How is the naming of this stadium? In the last video, you asked about it. Listen. Namboole Stadium was renamed Mandela National Stadium in honor of Nelson Mandela, the iconic South African leader, as a tribute to his contribution to the struggle against apartheid and his role in fostering unity and reconciliation. The renaming aimed to symbolize the values of freedom, equality, and unity associated with Mandela's legacy. Please let me know what do you think about Namboole Stadium in the comment section. I'm going to show you the before and after of this stadium, but before that, let me first explain about the statue in front of Namboole Stadium. The statue of Nelson Mandela was erected in front of Namboole Stadium.
And this is the statue of Mandela,
as a symbol of homage to the iconic leader's legacy and his contribution to the fight against apartheid, inspiring values of freedom and unity. It serves as a reminder of Mandela's global impact and the pursuit of justice. Now let me show you the before and after of this stadium. This is before.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself.
This is after.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet. Your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
We can't wait to see the unforgettable moments that will unfold on this upgraded stage. If you've had a chance to visit the new Namboole Stadium, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting updates, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. Until next time, stay tuned for more updates on my channel.
Give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my